Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna be doing a bike check today. Just name every part, and yeah. Alright, so it's like starting from the top. I got the hyper bar ends with some Mongoose grips. I've had these for a while, and they're pretty tore up. You can see right here. Go over this one. This one demolished over here. Same as the other side, hyper bar end. I got some Trek handlebars. You can see that. Trek. They are 8 high and 28 wide. And my stem, I've got, I think, a Tony Hawk stem, slope style bike. It's pretty good, holding up. Yeah, I like it. It looks pretty cool. Like how it's like the screws in there on the front and not up here. And for my fork, I got a just Mongoose fork. Small Mongoose tires with a hyper fork with, I don't even know, just some hyper fork or hub, whatever. And for my frame, I got a Mongoose. I like it. It's been holding up for a while. For a little bit now. It's pretty good. I like the color of it. Red. Sticks out nicely. Yeah. I got the hyper cranks with the 25 tooth sprocket. And I got a Mongoose seat with just a Mongoose copper looking seat clamp. Love the chain. I just got this. Found this off a bike. And yeah, I got this gold link at Walmart. Holding up. I got a 9-tooth sprocket. Hard driver in the back. I think it is a tree hub one. And you got the old Mongoose tire back here. It's pretty wore out. Yeah, it's all looking good. I love it. I built it myself, just finding parts here and there. And yeah, I switched this out for a big one once in a while. I'll throw the big one back on there. Here, I'm gonna go grab it and I'm gonna show you. I'll be right back. Alright, so as I went and grabbed the big sprocket. This is it. I like these old fatty ass cranks on them. Yeah, fit right in there just like that. Let's take this whole thing off. Like that. It's like any other small sprocket, big sprocket. I like the way the sprocket is designed. It just has like a cool pattern to it. I got it off my friend Kenny Walknable, or Garble. Sorry, Kenny. Yeah, pretty nice. And I switch the small one out once in a while just for this one. And I have unsealed bearing because I like to switch this shit in and out once in a while. But pretty soon I'm gonna be getting a good bike pretty soon, and I'll be in Fargo riding it. We'll be at the skate park there, and we'll get some street stuff. Yeah. But today, it's raining out. Cause yeah, Minnesota. That's how Minnesota is. Oh yeah, if you guys want to hear all my hub sounds, I'll show you guys that right now. I don't think you can see this probably, so. Oh, that's pretty nice. I love it. I got a bird cage back here. I like the way these are. Double rimmed. Front rim just single. Because I'm not that good yet. The only tricks I probably can do right now are just 360s, 180s, fakies, G-turns, and just getting some jumps with my bros. So let me do it. And that is my bike check. She's a beauty. You're a lover. And thanks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to know anything else. And follow me on Snapchat at TylerRabbit10. And see you guys next time.